was like, I should say, you're on camera, you're on camera.
Oh right, why, what am I doing?
You're just like looking.
No, sorry, it just...
Yeah, it's fine.
Hi! So Rick racking isn't actually that difficult, it's just that you need more than 2 pairs of hands.
Okay.
Can you pass it? Hi, today I'm going to do a tutorial for the Preen Autumn Winter 15 show, even wearing a Preen t-shirt. This was based on a 70s look, so there's Rick racking involved for the hair, but first of all I'm going to do the makeup, which was very much a soft wash of orange, both on the lips and on the eye. So for the eye, a lot of it was actually taken below the lower lash line, but first I'm going to focus on the top and just give a really light wash of orange across my lid and just bring it out slightly to the edge so that it's more of an almond shape. Then I'm going to take it underneath and add some colour to my lower lash line. This really defines the eye area, and there's quite a big focus on that for the Preen show. I'm just going to build up the colour so that you can really see it. It was quite prominent on the models' faces. And I'm just going to do the other eye. They left the inner corner bare, so I'm just taking it from where my lashes begin and sweeping it outwards. I'm going to leave mine bare, but the lips were also given an orange wash, and it was really focused on the center of the lips. I'm just going to swipe it across, really focusing on the center, and then I'm going to press it out with my finger. This just makes the colour look a little bit more lived in and dishevelled. So now that we have the makeup done, we need to move on to Rick racking, and this is quite difficult to do, so you'll need to get a friend. Luckily, I have one right here. Hi. So first step is to part the hair in the centre and smooth it down. I'm going to use a little bit of hairspray to get this part really smooth before Sophie does the Rick racking. So Rick racking isn't actually that difficult, it's just that you need an extra set of hands. Start halfway down the hair because you want the smooth texture at the top and the controlled frizz at the bottom. Get an oversized hairpin and just bend it out. And you're literally just going to weave the hair like in a figure of 8 around. So over and behind, over and behind. Keep going all the way down. Until you have that. Then I'm going to get some hair straighteners and we're just going to clamp down on top of that so it sets it in that shape, just for a few seconds. Natalie's hair does have some bleach in it, so I'm not going to overdo it. Frizzy ends, that's what we're aiming for. Just clamping it down like that. Let it cool. I've seen them do this backstage. Let it cool. More. It's quite nice. Then, when you undo it, it will form this tight zigzag shape.
Then you just need to brush that through. To create that 70s controlled frizz.
She's getting real pro. And then just to end off with, just make sure that the top parts are smoothed down. Just give the added volume to the end parts. And there you have the Preen show.